Dr. Chory, hi, nice.
Hello. Nice to meet you. So we know a little bit about your research. We'd love to ask you some questions if that's okay.
Yeah, that's good.
Congratulations, first of all, for winning this 2018 Breakthrough Prize.
Pretty exciting.
It is very exciting.
Yeah.
Yeah. How does it feel to be here on the red carpet?
Oh, I don't know. I'm still getting used to the idea.
Yeah. Yeah.
So are we.
So are we.
Okay, good.
So, what are the? So we've heard of your so-called super plants.
Yeah, we call them ideal plants. But they're
Ideal
kind of super
plants.
Yeah.
Yeah. So they have the extreme nickname is super plants. So what makes them so ideal? What makes these plants so ideal?
Well, we think they're ideal because they're going to have several properties that are really important for the earth right now. So, I mean, one thing that's happening is that the planet is undergoing global warming, right? And so global warming is going to kill the human population if it gets really warm. And the only way to get it to go temperatures to come down is by fixing the CO2 that's up there and burying it in the ground somewhere. So our super plant is going to bury that CO2 in the ground in a stable polymer that all plants make, actually, all land plants. And so that's a cool idea. And then number two, that super plant,
Absolutely a cool idea.
The ideal plant is going to be resistant to all these climate changes that are happening.
Right.
So they'll be resistant to drought and flooding and a lot of other things. And then lastly, the ideal plant will contribute to feeding the world.
Right.
Yeah, so we're thinking of making it doing all this in a legume, like chickpea or lentil, right? So
You eat the top piece of the plant, but the bottom piece is still in the ground?
bottom piece, yeah, you can eat the top piece because it's a perennial crop. It's going to be growing year after year after year. And then the bottom roots will still be growing in the ground and burying all that carbon and taking the CO2 out of the air that's causing all the heating.
But it's interesting. It feels like it kind of undoes the harm we've done by digging up oil and that CO2 deposit. You're just like back with it into the ground.
Yeah, but that's okay. You know, what we've done with fossil fuels is bad because that's carbon that normally stays down in there for thousands of years.
Right.
And so now we're digging it up in the terms of oil, and then, we're burning it to drive our cars.
Yeah.
And other stuff.
You're like back to the pit that spawned you.
Exactly. Right. And
Yep.
so normal plants will take some CO2 out of the air, but these will take how many times more?
All plants will take CO2 out of the air. That's
Right,
what
right.
photosynthesis is, actually. CO2 plus water, and you make biomass. And we're all carbon-based, actually. And so, because of plants and photosynthesis. But yeah, these plants are going to be 20-fold better, we think.
20-fold.
Yeah.
That's incredible. So
Yeah.
20 times more CO2 potentially put back into the soil.
Yes,
Yeah.
and it's going to stay down
Absolutely.
there for hundreds of years.
Yeah.
Because what we're trying to do is buy the time, so our technology people on Earth can come up with solutions to burning fossil fuel.
Right, right.
Yeah.
So Superwoman might be saving the world on film, but Ideal Woman is saving the world in real life. Thank you so much. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Okay.
Good luck tonight. Bye-bye.